We just not fill only the ash in the dash of our life, and we should leave this planet Earth and we go away. We must not share the blood, but certainly we have shared this globe. That's why I say that you're all my wonderful, beautiful, loving daughters. Love you, my children. Before we die, we must rock, and we must have a legacy, we must have a mark, and we must have a print of our life, and we must leave this world. Life is so beautiful. My dear lovers, my dear darlings, let us just think about our life once. Indeed, every mother had sacrificed a lot. That's why we came into the existence of this world. You please notice this, my dear friends. A very happy morning, all of you. I think that you people are good listeners. So, can you please repeat that what I have wished you all? There at the last one, darling is saying, very happy morning. Huh? Happy morning. Happy morning. How are you all? Fine. How much fine? How much fine? No, if that is infinitive, you will not study here. If you are that much fine enough, okay. What else? How is going life? Frankly, you must speak honestly, truthfully. Is it boring or... boring? Oh, mixed with curry. Okay, some of the girls are speaking a lot. Some more introducing from my side is needed to you all. Firstly, I promise you that this is not a gender bomb class. Okay? No need of any painkillers that are to be taken by you after going from here. Right. Somebody is laughing from lips, somebody is laughing from heart, somebody is not laughing. अरे यार हंसो रे. Okay. This is DSV Bharadwaj. I'm working as a gazetted headmaster, that means a principal of one government school at Srikakulam. Okay, have you ever heard about a place called Srikakulam? Yes, sir. Okay, good. Very fast in speaking. Okay. Right. That is a part of my profession. I'm the founder and chairman of the beautiful and the most glorious, which you can say at the back. What's it all about? Love all and serve all. Have you ever heard that term? I hope all of you people, all of the students will speak out, because I'm basically visually impaired. I'm 100% visionless. Till today, in my career as a motivational and inspiration speaker, right from the age group of 10 or even 5 to 50 plus, I spoke to and I addressed more than 2 lakh children. 2 lakh. Okay? And I'm the advisory board of member for many engineering colleges. I'm a counselor where a counsel students, especially the desperate students, maladjustment children. There are clients across 16 countries. I'm not telling all these things for a track record. और कुछ रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं है. I think that all of you know the language of English as well as Hindi. Okay. I am poor at Hindi, but I am okay. I will tell you that how I learned Hindi. Okay, English is very much good. I think that my language is audible. Okay, I think that are you understanding my words? Okay, right. It is quite simple. Okay. 12 खड़ी है हिंदी में, इंग्लिश में ऐसा नहीं है. ये, ई, ऐसा नहीं है. There are only 26 letters in English. Good. What is this class is all about? Why we have been gathered here? What is this hammering? Sir, what is your point of talk? My point of talk is not studies. Oh, thank you, sir. Very good. At least we found one bakra who is not speaking of studies. Good. Okay. Before I start, I just need how many of you people are here? Okay. The MPC wala. Only clap, only MPC wala. Thank you. Sir, principal, sir, he is here. Is anybody left behind? All are here. Okay, at the last, can you listen to me? No. What are they saying? They are unable to listen, sir. They are saying no, but they are able to listen that word that are question. Even one heroine should not miss my talk. Oh. Huh? Better you do Om. At least. At least you'll get some punya. So you people are from which states? Right. Hey, Bihar. It is being heard, not Bihar. Only har. क्या? हम हर रोज हार रहे हैं क्या? ऐसा नहीं है ना? Good. Okay. Backside beauties. Can you listen to me? Good. I think that is yes sir, not yes sir. Okay? Right. Okay. There are fundamentally 3 rules before I start my talk. Be aware of it. I already told that this class is not confined to only to the matter of studies. Probably the first, what is the date today? The 1st February 2020, is going to be a remarkable and a rocking and a most memorable day in your life. I promise you all. But you people have to observe fundamentally 3 regulations. As I can't see you all, you must see only me. You must see only me. Point 2. No crosstalk till to the end. Okay? The pakoda wala who is sitting right to the next of you will be always with you, spoiling you all the way. Don't talk to them. You will not miss them. You will not miss any of the girl here. You will not miss any friend over here. Don't talk to the next person. I have already told you that this is not a class for motivate you. Frankly, I am saying, this is not a class to motivate you. This is a session to have an interaction, to notice the inspiration within your own heart. Okay, for any good, great, wow, ask something, please do respond. Please do respond with a good round of your applause, because I can't listen to your heartbeat as I'm standing far off, but I can feel to your heartbeat of joy only because of your valuable claps and applause. Thank you. I already told you no crosstalk and don't shout, because we are all human beings. We have a good round of emotional expression ways. My intention coming over here is just one and only thing. My dear daughters, life is highly, highly, highly dash. Can you feel it? Life is highly, highly, highly dash. Somebody says highly valuable, highly joyful, highly painful, highly boredom, highly entertainment, highly enjoying. You can fill n number of things in that dash. But we must not just fill the only ash in the dash when we leave this earth and we go away. We just not fill only the ash in the dash of our life and we should leave this planet earth and we go away. Before we die, we must rock and we must have a legacy, we must have a mark, and we must have a print of our life, and we must leave this world. That's what we have to understand about our life is. Hope you are all understanding my language. At the back. Sir. What is sir? See, look my darlings, I don't love that term. I have addressed you all, my dear daughters. My dear daughters. See, I have a child of similar age group. I have a daughter. I have only one and only daughter. Somebody is calling me the other day on my phone. My daughter had lifted the phone. Other third person was a female, and hello. She was speaking to my own daughter. can I speak to my dad? My daughter lifted the phone. She said hello, and even on the other side there was another person who is a female, who was a girl, saying hello, and my daughter was listening to a statement called, can I speak to my dad? What? I'm the only daughter. Who are you? Oh, I'm a student of Sri Chaitanya, where your father addressed us, and we thought and we have taken him to our heart as if he is an eternal father to all of us. That's why I say and I call him my dad. Please give the mobile to my dad. Many of you may be thinking of, sir, we have not shared the blood. Why you call daughter and why I call you my father, my dad? We must not share the blood, but certainly we have shared this globe. That's why I say that you're all my wonderful, beautiful, loving daughters. Love you, my children. Okay. Did you get my point? Yes, sir, again. Oh. Please try to understand my intention. As a fatherlyhood, I came here and I have been speaking to you all. As a matter of love, I came here and I have been speaking to you all. I am not going to draw a single paisa, single rupee from your management, because my intention is not to earn money. My intention to earn love from the fellow beings of this beautiful garden of the world. What? What she is saying? Thank you, my dear darling. Please listen to me very carefully. Please listen to me very carefully. This is not for a joyal, as a part of joke or as a part of comedy. I'm not telling that, oh, you're my good daughter, I'm your father, I'm your eternal father. Not like that. See, today is a wonderful day. Do you know the significance of today? Anyone of this gathering is knowing the significance of today? What, sir? Today, the 1st February, falls on Saturday. That is the significance. No. Today is called Ratha Saptami. It is called, all of you, Ratha Saptami. Lord Sun's birthday. Today is supposed to be the Surya Jayanti, where we are getting the light, where we are getting the heat, where we are getting the health, where we are getting the prosperity, where we are getting everything. Even this planet Earth, all these planets, everything is revolving around the mighty sun. Today is supposed to be the, according to Vedas, today is supposed to be the Surya Jayanti. Surya, it is a most auspicious day. On this very auspicious day, my voice of love is reaching approximately 10 states of my daughters. I welcome you all to this. I think that someone might have welcomed you while stepping onto this sand, onto the soil of Andhra or not. I don't know whether someone had welcomed you or not. But certainly from the bottom of my heart, I welcome you all and I love you all. Thank you very much for staying on this beautiful Andhra soil. We are indeed having some bondage of several births. That's why we might not be related to one caste, one religion, one state, one region, but we are together as a matter of humanity. We are one. That is what we are all Indians. Somebody is saying, oh, they are North Indians, sir. They are South Indians. One of my friend was saying other day, just 20 days back, when I was walking on the roads of Puttaparthi, one friend of me was saying that, oh, he is a North Indian. I think that you are a South Indian. I have stopped him and I holded his hand. Hey boss, look here. What you have said? North Indian. What you have said to me? South Indian. Okay, take North. What is that? Indian. Take South out. What is there? Indian. Basically, we are Indians. We are distributed. We are just divided, not just by sides. We should not deviate ourselves with any of the differences of these regions or states. I think that we all belong to the wonderful planet of Earth. That's why we are all one family. Vasudhaiva Kutumbam. Thank you. How is life going? Boring. How is life going? Enjoying. How is life going? Oh, studying. I think that all of you went for Pongal holidays to your respective native places. Have you? No. No. Oh. Okay. Right. When are your board exams are there? 22nd? 27th February. February. Oh, great. Just within 26 days. Oh. What, sir? You told that you are not going to talk about studies, but you are telling that there are 26 days countdown. Yes. Believe me, at the end of the talk, you will realize what a true study is all about. Okay? Right. Let us start our session with a beautiful musical meditation. Good. And I hope that I told you that you have to follow 3 rules. You must look at me only. Okay? Second one, you should not talk to the other person. Please do observe. I hope that all of my loving daughters are so awesome that they are very beautiful even in their looks as well as in their hearts. Please do assure, and please don't take away my thought over you, and love you all so much. Please be prepared yourself. Just sit coolly, calmly, gently. Okay. Somebody the other time when I was saying in a girls session, when I was saying, hey, sit gently. Hey, close your eyes gently. One girl stood, sir, what is this you are saying? Close my eyes gently. I can't close my eyes gently. I can close my eyes only ladily. It doesn't mean that here. You got my point, right? So put your hands like this on your thighs. ऐसे रखिए दोनों. Please observe utmost silence. Sit straight. Can you? Old ladies, can you? I am addressing you, old ladies, can you? Are you saying yes? I am addressing you, old ladies, can you? You're saying yes, okay. You have to give me reply, sir. We are not old ladies, we are gold ladies, that you have to reply me. Right? Like this. Sit straight, 90 degrees. Close your eyes. Amma, will you please close your eyes? Enjoy the silence. Just lock your lip. Close your eyes. Life. Most marvelous. Life. Most beautiful. Close your eyes. feel the tremendous calmness in your inner world. Feel the joy. Life is so beautiful. My dear lovers, my dear darlings, let us just think about our life once. Our beloved mother, who had given us the birth, our beloved father, who had blessed us with this beautiful body. Our life, so valuable, so meaningful, so purposeful, so joyful. Feel that. Just don't open your eyes. We have taken the shelter for 9 months in the womb of our loving mother. What a beautiful mother. माँ, कहीं भी हो, we love you. Without you there is no meaning to our life. Without you there is no meaning for our knowledge, for this body, for these wonderful things which we are getting every day. माँ, तू प्यार का सागर है. You are the real ocean of love. We might be missing you physically, but your prints of love are there in the inner soul. Just imagine the amount of pain that our mother had bared while we are coming out of her womb. Yes, she is the one who sacrificed her everything for us. Ma, you are the real God. Just imagine your mother. Mom, my dear mummy, I love you. You are my first and the prime lover. Dad, our physical father who blessed us this beautiful body. Just identify the amount of sacrifice that he had done all these years for us. Just experience that warmth, blood that is flowing for us in the body of our father, in our father's body. Just feel the sweat that our dear dad is shedding every minute for ourselves. Literally, mother and father, mom and dad, papa or ma, they are the true forms of God. We are all here today, not only in this institute, we are all here today on this beautiful earth, as our lives is a beautiful gift of our beloved parents. Let us love them, not just in words, but in our thoughts, but in our actions. Our life must please them. Our life must give a meaning to their lives. Our lives must satisfy their dreams. My dear darlings, never forget the real sacrifices of our beloved parents, life is highly meaningful if we add some love to our parents. Just enjoy the life. Notice the value of life. Notice the value of our life. We are one among the lakhs of animals, species, but we are unique. We are unique. We are rarely born. We are not just animals. We are human beings. Don't open your eyes. Just rub them. Rub your hands. Slowly put it on your eyes. After opening the eyes, just look at your palm. Look at your palm. See the face of your mother. See the face of your father. Kiss them. Thank you. And clap for them for the wonderful life that they have gifted for us. Thank you, my dear daughters, my dear lovers, my dear darlings. Please, no talking. Hope you understand the seriousness of this is the beautiful moments of your life. Never allow your mind to play a game. I'm very sure about my words. Please try to understand. If you don't understand, immediately you ask, Dad, what are you talking? I'm not going to understand. Please repeat the word once. Because as a matter of speech, I didn't come here and I'm not speaking to just listen to your claps. I want that you must receive claps and you must stand like me after some years and you must motivate or inspire some lakhs of people in this world, in your life. You must receive some thousands and lakhs and millions of applause from all over the world for your beautiful way of life. After all, a person with disability, after all, a person with visual impairment, I have been speaking to you all, my dear darlings. A person who was hit greatly with a retina disease called retinitis pigmentosa. At the age of 8, I was badly hit by a disease called retinitis pigmentosa, RP, it is called in the terms of science. My father and my mother were detached due to several reasons, due to several causes. They were not living together at the age of 7. When I was 7, they were not together. Then my eye disease came out. Doctors identified. At that point of time, my vision was superb. I'm having 100% of vision at the age of 7. But my dear friends, doctors told my mother, soon he is going to become blind. He'll become blind. My mother cried like anything, cried like anything. She was a teacher. Nobody is there standing by the side of her. She was hugging me and she was weeping me every day. Whenever she found some time, Bharadwaj, what your condition is all about, I am very much worried about your life. She sacrificed everything for me, everything for me, everything for me. Indeed, every mother had sacrificed a lot. That's why we came into the existence of this world. You please notice this, my dear friends. And I told my mother, Amma rona mat, don't cry. Why are you crying? Doctors just declared that I will lose my vision but not my life. I will prove that what I am. What a person can achieve, what a person can do, what a person can uplift himself, what a person can uphold the life to the ecstasies and reach the peak of the victories, where one day everything will be the footmat. Amma, don't worry. I told my mother at the age of 8, my intention is only one thing. My intention is only one thing. I may be in dark, but I will not see dark. I may be in dark, but I will not see any dark. I will see only light, only light. I may be in the darkest of the darkest of the darkest of the darkest black. I might not be able to visualize anything, but I can visualize everything in my inner world and I can achieve. That's why today, as a matter of district officer cadre, I have been holding a greening pen and doing the attestations as a gazetted officer.
Like this video, share this video and subscribe to Lhasa Foundation YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Do write your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment box and ask for more new videos on which subjects you want. Support Lhasa Mission.